like, comment, and finally subscribe my YouTube channel. Get information and knowledge to watch my latest information and knowledge videos firstly.
Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can use other people's images and videos for free for your YouTube videos. It's not an amazing thing? So watch the video till end. So let's get started. First of all, on your mobile, go to the browser which you like. Open it. After opening your browser, type there Pixabay. After typing Pixabay, search for it. When you will search for it, and then you can see the details which are find your perfect free image or video to download and use for anything for free commercial use, no attribution required. So guys, this is the thing we want. So click on it. After clicking on it, you will see a search images, videos, small bar. Click on it. After that, I am for example going to search for car. Okay, now the car images will appear. You can search any like flower or bus or anything of which images you like to download for free and use it for your YouTube videos. Guys, do not download the sponsored images I stock, because if you download these and use these for your YouTube videos, then you can get a copyright strike, because these are not for free use. At down below you can use these pictures. So I am going to use this Bugatti Veyron. So click on it and hold on an image with your finger and you will see this page will pop up. See it again. Click on the page and hold your finger on it and this page will pop up. Simply click on the download image and the image will be downloaded. Let me show you this in my folder. As you guys can see that I am opening in front of you and this image of Bugatti car has been downloaded. Now I can use it for my YouTube videos for free. There will be no strike on my video. So now what about videos? So for videos, for example, which video you like to search for? For example, I want to search for car. So at your right side you can see images is written and a small arrow is there. Click on it. After that, different categories will be opened. You have to then select videos. When you will select videos, different videos of cars will be displayed in front of you. Remember guys, do not download or use the sponsored images or videos. As you can see, there are sponsored videos also. At the down you can use those ones. Do not use these ones, because iStock images are not or videos are not free. If you use them you can get a strike. So I am selecting this Mercedes one and I click on it and you see it's of 18 seconds. So I simply scroll down and let me first play the video. You can see this is a car Mercedes video. So I like this, so I'm going to download it. So to download it, scroll down and you will see a free download option. Simply click on it and you can see the Pixabay license also. Free for commercial use, no attribution required. Click on free download. After that, resolution will appear. Which resolution you want, you can select. The higher resolution will give you good graphics. So now the video is started downloading. So guys, hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.